to my kitchen. Today I have this TOREAD pool filter. So apparently I have to replace my filter in my pool like every 6 months or so here in Florida. I don't know, maybe it's the hard water or something like that, but they said it gets a lot of calcium and crap on it. And the pool guy wanted like over $100 to replace it. And I'm like, oh hell no, I can just do this myself. And so I went to Amazon and found a 2-pack of these for, I don't know, it was like $60 or something like that. So it's way cheaper. And I think all I have to do is like unscrew the top and put it in again. So let's see how this thing looks. And the box is empty, so this is what it is here. So it says pool and spa filter. It looks just like my other one. And open this thing up. And that's what it looks like. I mean, as far as I can tell, it looks like the same kind of thing. It's got the little blades and fans. It's got the same little rubber top. And they say even this one here, it got even such good reviews that it says this top makes even a better seal than some of the other brands out there here. So this one here, it was super highly rated and great price. I mean, it wasn't the cheapest because the cheapest one had really bad reviews and it said all these things here get all matted up and stuff like that. Like you can see this one here's like a little push, but I think it's just because the box got bent. But they say they all get kind of squished in. But this one here got good reviews and it says it keeps its shape. So I'm gonna go put it out in the pool, and if there's any issues with it or anything like that, I'll let y'all know. But I'm gonna put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. You gotta subscribe, and like this video too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.